Kenya Commercial Bank is one of the three biggest financial institutions in the country and represents a large segment of the banked population. Joining us now to explain more is Joshua Oyagara, the Chief Executive of KCB, or Kenyan Commercial Bank. It was so interesting reading through, Joshua, your latest annual report and the way that you're going to be focusing your attention, being a relative newcomer to banking. Do you think that it helps to have a fresh look?
Well, I would say it's a very exciting time for our business today, and our overall growth strategy for the bank has been there for many years. So this year will be 116 years old. Our focus in the midterm has been very strongly within the region, different sectors in SME area, large customers as well in terms of corporates, real estate and mortgages.
No, sorry, Joshua, you misheard my question. I'm talking about you personally. You've been in banking only for just over a year, and that's what I'm talking about. Is it to have a relatively fresh look at things? Has that been an advantage for you?
Well, I would say that it's a great time for me. It's exciting for me as an individual and for our institution. And perhaps in terms of going forward, it will be in a position to strengthen our business in terms of the areas we want to accelerate, our areas of excellence.
I see you speak much about leveraging the new technology platforms. Now, elsewhere in Africa, we know how East Africa has an advantage on other parts of the continent. Are there any innovations that are coming out of KCB that we should be taking note of?
Yes. If you look at the last year and this year, and perhaps going forward, a lot of innovation on mobile banking. We've set up a new KCB mobile banking we call MobiBank in the last year, with huge attributes to be able to give comfort and convenience for our customers, as well as enhancing our own technology products across the region to enhance our customers' experiences. So I would say yes, in terms of technology for mobile side, on internet side, and as well as being able to get products that engage different side of our customer streams.
800,000 customers on mobile banking. How does that compare with your overall customer base?
So far, if you look at it to date, we are already over 1 million customers on our mobile banking. Our goal today and in the midterm is over 80% of our customers will be able to access our banking products and solutions using the mobile phone or mobile banking platform. So it's a very exciting moment for us going forward.
Do you have a facility where you could open a mobile-only account, or do you still have to have the traditional banking facilities as well?
One of the strong or new innovations we are having now today is a product where a customer will be able to open their accounts from the phone without having to visit actually any of our agents or any of our branches. So that enhanced platform is something that we are working on right now. It should be coming on in this current quarter, the next quarter. And then you can do much more activity. So it's an add-on to our current mobile banking platform. So that facility is already something we are working on, and you should see it happening to our customers in the next quarter.
Joshua, I want you just to explore something with you. When I met with the team, the top team from Google, they were saying so many good things are coming out of Africa, and particularly East Africa, on the mobile area, which the rest of the world all wants to get into. Do you think that that your bank and indeed the region is becoming a world leader in this field?
I would say that is already happening today. If you look at our level of innovation and product offering in terms of mobile technology, I must say that East Africa, and particularly in Kenya, we are way ahead in terms of delivering new channels, giving our customers more convenient solutions, and perhaps exporting within Africa the opportunities that customers can exploit the mobile banking. So we are already there today. What you like to see going forward is acceleration of the innovation around mobile banking. We have the skill base, we have got the applications today, our penetration ratio is extremely high, and you would like to see more convergence beyond just one set of services from a different customer and the next. So I want to agree with you that East Africa is way ahead, but we are not yet there in terms of exploiting the full potential of that sector.
But the next step surely has to mean move south, where there are lots of people, bigger economies, bigger opportunities, and you seem to have a competitive advantage in this market. Is that on your plans?
For our customers, yes. And I'd like to go back and mention around what is really happening in terms of the demographics of our business today, and also the country and the region. If you look at our average age for the population generally, is around about 18, 20 years old. This is a very young, connected population in terms of social media, their interactions. And I would say that is the face. The reason why we've come up with the solutions, for instance, of mobile banking, is to provide that solution at their level of convenience. And going forward, I would say, as you go into Uganda, where we are, into Tanzania, in South Sudan, in Rwanda and Burundi, and other markets where we are keen on going, that is an opportunity for us to enhance our growth potential as a group. So it's happening not just for KCB alone. We're a leader in that area, but the entire financial system is moving in that direction.
Well, it's going to be interesting to see when you follow M-Pesa maybe into the South African market where the opportunities have to exist. I just wanted to ask you, Joshua, about your shareholder base. It's extraordinary to see so many people, 160,000 shareholders, if I read the annual report correctly. How do you reach all of these people?
Well, very good question. We are almost the third largest shareholder base in this area. You're right, 168, 170,000 shareholders now. And we have different channels. We have engaged them collectively in terms of our mobile channels. It's a key area today of accessing. We engage them through different forums, but the ones that have been very successful is one is through the mobile phone, getting to contact them through our contact center, which has direct access to them. There are some who are already into different models, like on their emails. And we definitely then have our own annual general meeting, which we just finished in May, where we do get a number of them who come in to attend our meetings. Our shareholders are also able to access us as a bank through our branch network, our agency networks, across the region where we have presence.